If you're tired of dirt and dust clinging to your hardwood surfaces, it's time for an upgrade. In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best stick vacuum for wood floors, offers powerful suction, lightweight handling, and gentle care to keep your floors spotless without any scratches. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is an excellent choice for those seeking a lightweight, versatile, and highly efficient cleaning tool for everyday use. This model is specially crafted for quick daily cleaning tasks, offering a perfect balance of speed, power, and convenience. What makes it especially appealing for wood floor owners is its steady, non-abrasive suction power that ensures no scratches or scuffs are left behind. It boasts up to 50 minutes of runtime when using attachments like the crevice or pet tool in eco mode, 30 minutes with the vacuum head, and 12 minutes on turbo mode, providing ample time for comprehensive cleaning sessions without frequent recharging. Its suction strength, rated at 70 AW, makes it capable of tackling urgent messes with ease, from fine dust to pet hair. Designed for dry debris only, it's a dependable tool for families and pet owners alike. The vacuum's lightweight, ergonomic design, combined with its ability to lie 180 degrees flat and its 3 built-in LED lights, ensures you can easily reach and see dust under furniture and in dim corners. The custom 2-in-1 pet tool simplifies hair removal, while the dusting brush also doubles as a crevice tool, adding even more versatility. A standout feature is its anti-tangle brush, which significantly reduces the hassle of hair wraps, a common issue in many stick vacuums. The large one-click emptying dustbin further adds to the user-friendly experience, making cleanup after cleaning fast and fuss-free. Number 2. Shark Rocket Vacuum Cleaner. The Shark Rocket Vacuum Cleaner is a highly regarded option among stick vacuums, particularly well-suited for wood floors and mixed surface cleaning. Weighing under 9 pounds, this ultra-lightweight corded stick vacuum easily converts into a handheld unit, providing users with remarkable versatility for floor-to-ceiling cleaning. Its powerful suction capabilities are equally effective on both carpets and hard floors, ensuring you can move effortlessly between surfaces without compromising performance. One of the standout features of this vacuum is its fingertip controls, which make it simple to toggle between various surface settings, adapting quickly to different cleaning needs. Swivel steering enhances maneuverability, making it a breeze to navigate tight spaces and corners or glide around furniture. This model's thoughtful design continues with its convenient storage solutions. The handheld vacuum can hang from a hook on the wand's base, offering a compact and tidy way to store it between uses. The Shark Rocket also includes a suite of useful attachments, such as an upholstery tool, anti-allergen dust brush, and crevice tool. These accessories greatly expand the vacuum's functionality, allowing you to tackle pet hair, tight corners, and delicate surfaces with ease. The easy empty dust cup design enables quick and clean disposal of collected debris, minimizing downtime during your cleaning routine. Especially ideal for those with pets or allergy concerns, the Shark Rocket's anti-allergen dust brush ensures a thorough hygienic clean. It's an excellent choice for apartments, small homes, or anyone in need of a lightweight yet powerful vacuum that can handle wood floors with care. Number 3. Chibio Vacuum Cleaner. The Chibio vacuum cleaner is a powerful, cordless stick vacuum designed to tackle a variety of household cleaning tasks with ease. Engineered for efficiency and versatility, this model is equipped with a high-performance motor that delivers up to 28 kPa of suction power in max mode. It effortlessly captures large and fine particles, pet hair, and other debris from carpets, hardwood floors, and tiles, making it a reliable solution for maintaining spotless floors in any home. A particularly notable feature is its V-shape anti-tangle brush, which, paired with the deflector comb design, effectively addresses the common problem of hair tangles in traditional vacuum heads. This eliminates the need for frequent brush maintenance and makes it especially useful for homes with pets or long-haired family members. The vacuum also features a removable, large-capacity battery that supports up to 45 minutes of cleaning time in its lowest suction setting, and includes 2 adjustable power modes for tailored performance. The Chebio's 1.5-liter dust cup reduces the need for constant emptying and offers easy one-touch disposal for a hygienic experience. Its cordless, lightweight construction ensures it's convenient to maneuver and assemble into different configurations, including a handheld version for cleaning furniture, car interiors, or tight corners. Number 4. Shark HV322. The Shark HV322 is a feature-rich, corded stick vacuum that delivers powerful cleaning performance and user-friendly versatility. Designed for households with pets and a mix of flooring types, this vacuum excels on both hard surfaces like wood floors and carpets. It boasts powerful suction capable of deep carpet cleaning and efficient pet hair pickup on all surfaces, making it an excellent tool for busy homes. Despite its impressive performance, the HV322 remains ultra-lightweight and easily converts into a handheld vacuum for ceiling-to-floor cleaning. Its specialized pet tools are a standout feature, effectively capturing embedded pet hair while also extending reach into hard-to-access areas like stairs and upholstery. This makes it especially beneficial for pet owners who need a vacuum that can keep up with daily shedding and unexpected messes. Another highlight is its XL dust cup capacity of 0.68 quarts, allowing for extended cleaning sessions without frequent stops to empty debris. LED headlights on both the handheld vacuum and nozzle reveal hidden dirt, dust, and pet hair, ensuring a thorough clean, even in dimly lit corners and under furniture. The inclusion of a pet multi-tool and pet crevice tool enhances its ability to clean various surfaces and tricky areas. The Shark HV322 offers a practical, no-fuss design with convenient fingertip controls, making it easy to switch between different cleaning modes. Number 5. Eureka Vacuum Cleaner. The Eureka Vacuum Cleaner is a modern, high-powered cleaning solution that stands out for its impressive suction and advanced features. Powered by a robust 350W BLDC motor, this vacuum delivers strong, consistent performance on various surfaces, including carpets, hardwood, and tile floors. Its excellent suction power ensures deep cleaning, efficiently lifting dirt, dust, and pet hair with ease. One of its most convenient features is the self-emptying dustbin system, which holds up to 3 liters of debris. This clean station setup means you won't have to frequently stop to empty the bin, adding convenience to every cleaning session. The Eureka vacuum also offers up to 60 minutes of runtime on its lowest setting, with 3 selectable cleaning modes, 15, 40, 60 minutes, to accommodate different tasks. Its removable battery extends usability, making it ideal for larger homes or multiple sessions. Designed with pet owners in mind, the vacuum's anti-tangle brush roll prevents hair wrap, maintaining consistent performance without the need for frequent brush cleaning.